get to that police station.
Correct.
And we can call for a report by your lordship.
Yes,
and
the
then do
state
the
can
need.
provide us. State is represented. Nobody is there from the state.
Lordship, the
Your
thing is,
Lordship,
Yeah,
Well,
you
I'll just
give,
inform
sir,
the
what you do is,
Shishir.
as you are saying that whenever you received a threat, you have filed a complaint before the concerned police station. So you give us the
numbers.
Numbers?
As a corporate number.
complaint numbers.
That doesn't matter. That is
Your
what
lordship.
The complaint numbers you give us, we'll ask the state.
If I may submit, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I want the protection. First, Lordship, because Lordship, it is the state's prerogative to whom to fabricate in the FIR and to make them arrested. One day, Lordship, I'll be killed in my home. Then no court will be there to protect me, or nobody will be there, and everyone will be just laughing at me like the way the state councils, along with many people, are laughing at me.
Sir,
I know,
you have
Lordship.
the court-
Lordship, the thing is, a 15 months old charge sheeted case, all of a sudden have been opened. What is the interest of the state PP? To safeguard the accused rapist? Because if they charge me,
No.
I have been stopped, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I may be heard.
We want safety. Now that's
No, no.
Lordship, in this way, I have been encouraged to submit. I have not even able to submit
Your
it
Lordship.
for 1 minute, and the other
No. You have to submit something
and
which is
the
a part
mic
of.
have been
You
thrown
have-
away,
you have to
taken
sub-
away.
You have to
How will I submit, Lordship? If
Take
the
away the mic from her. But I do not know what.
This is
their
the
purpose
way
is
she
about. But I
alleges.
just don't understand that.
Your
I was
Lordship,
talking to a husband. I
Yes.
was talking. I don't know what she
She-
feels like, but I am just not
If I may
understand why
submit,
does she need
Lordship.
protection?
she blames everyone in this.
Everybody-
This is the reason, Lordship, I need protection.
Your
This
Lordship,
is the reason, because I'm standing alone. And Lordship,
You need protection.
what
then
proof I will give, Lordship? I am giving enough proof that a
Oh.
15 months old charge sheeted case
that is
have been
fine.
opened, and all of a sudden a counter case have been lodged with all depriving all the provisions of constitution and law, which is completely derogative. What I will do with registration of 10 more FIRs? Will I get the safety? Will I get the protection after registration of 10 more FIRs?
That you get safety. Why do you consider yourself to be so important person that you
Yes.
need safety? What is this? I do more criminal cases than you do.
yes.
I never asked for safety.
Lordship, I am requesting that.
Madam, you have to.
What-
Lordship,
can-
Lordship, just
what
1
is
minute.
this?
Your
Just one
Lordship
minute.
has been.
Lordship, I had filed. Can I? I had filed an writ petition before the Honorable Supreme Court under Article 32, wherever the Honorable Justices Prashant Kumar Mishra and Honorable Justice K.V. Vishwanathan suggested that you go to your High Court will give you protection regarding that matter. That is reported, and that is within the order also. That's why
I have
she had
said
withdrawn.
about it, sir.
False.
Lordship,
False.
for-
As we
Question about
mentioned,
protection.
No,
Lordship,
it's
for-
not a question
for-
about
for-
protection. Yes.
You had moved the matter. in the
Lordship, for
midst of
that
the
regard,
hearing,
in
you
that,
had withdrawn the matter.
Lordship, in that regard, if your Lordship,
Here, you have
if
to
your
un-
Lordship does not feel fit that we don't need protection, kindly reject the same. I will go before the upper court.
Please.
Absolutely.
And Lordship, please let us submit our matter, because it is our matter. We want our matter to submit, because we know our grievances the best. We know what is happening to us, and I know that what has happened to me past these years, and after filing the particular Sandeshkhali petition, because I was the first PIL in-person petitioner from the state of West Bengal in Sandeshkhali matter. Later on, our learned senior councils, many councils were there. If I am being encroached my right to, speak up before the court, and that is the reason I went before Supreme Court, because High Court, I had been unable to move before High Court, because whenever I have come up, my voice have been encroached, I have been restricted the way I am being restricted. It's because, Lordship, this is the fact and circumstances which I am which I'm bringing before the court.
her heart
Ah,
out.
let her pour
No,
out.
Lordship, it is not pouring my heart. It is about the legal consequences which I faced, because I belong from the opposition party. That is the fact.
Oh.
That is the matter.
The place for politics. She's come for what? She's come for watching of that proceedings. First.
Whether that-
Second,
Yes.
that will be applicable or not. Now, but the question now, third is now, she is concerned about her safety. For the last 15 months, nothing has happened to her. Has anything happened to her? Has she been able to say?
I
something?
cannot go to my own chamber. I have been ousted from that place.
What happened? What has happened in RT?
What they are waiting for to happen with me?
Not a place for political games here.
This
This
is
is
not
not a
a
court for
place.
political
But
games.
what kind of uncruelty is this, Lordship?
Malak, please say.
This is merciless, Lordship. I cannot expect this. I mean, I don't know what I can expect, but the thing is,
But
Lordship,
first of all, madam, you have to understand that you are going beyond the writ petition that you have filed.
Lordship, the
are
state
going
lawyers,
You are going beyond the pleadings of the writ
Malad,
petition
may I
that you
request
have
one thing,
filed.
Malad?
Lordship, I am only
I-
pleading whichever I have pleaded
What-
before Honorable Supreme Court past 3 months
You
back.
are
That only I am
up to-
pleading, Lordship.
in this
Only that
particular
contention,
case,
because the
you-
same petition, if I submit the Supreme Court
you
petition,
don't
which I
allow the judge to speak. You don't allow the other
Malad, may I,
advocates to
Malad, your
speak.
lordship has appointed.
Malad, may I
So I have a
request,
right to speak to your lordship.
may I request your lordship one thing?
Yes, sir.
Malad, kindly restrict it to the prayer portion, hear her, hear us, and pass the necessary order.
That is what I mean, trying to
Malad,
say.
no, there
from
is,
day
let her
one,
submit,
He is getting transcended
At
to
one
another
number, there are two-
tangent.
Malad, there are two forms of prayer. One is quashment of the procedure. Second is deployment of CRPF personnel. Malad, kindly hear me also, kindly hear
Yeah.
them also.
And then
pass
hear
necessary-
me and then.
pass
pass
necessary
this.
order.
Let her
Malad,
fix number 8, Malad. Let her get prepared with all this.
Yes, sir.
And not beyond the pleading.
Yeah, yes.
I have been asking her, I have been pleading her. I told her and both the petitioners, petitioner number 1 and petitioner number 2, that please restrict yourself to the pleadings of the instant writ petition. But they are bringing on matters which are not the.
Lordship, I am just requesting for,
And if you are apprehended.
Lordship, whatever, Lordship, you are telling that is outside the writ petition. If you can peruse through the writ petition, that I have submitted that has happened due to this.
arises
That is
from
within that.
You have come for the quashing of the complaint.
Quashing of the complaint and safety and
uh,
security.
Chatterjee
Right,
had
the
police
Yes,
six.
safety and security along with
Sir.
quashing. And the
She passes this.
stay of the notification of the CID that has been
Malad,
taken.
kindly
illegally.
hear them, hear me, all the parties.
All the parties are finished. Yes.
Finish it off.
And,
Malad, there is
uh,
no point, Malad, this
I'll
kind
do
of
that.
submission, Malad, this is not, Malad, permissible in court also.
Yourself to the pleadings and what prayer you have asked.
Yes.
Sir, I have been telling them, I have been
Why is your
requesting
lordship
them.
losing your lordship's temper? Be calm and pass the order.
Where
So
you
that-
think I'm losing my temper? Huh? Yes, you think
Your
I'm
lordship
losing
is
my
getting
temper?
a bit affected. That is what we are feeling.
Chheda dao, Malad,
Because I am,
My lord, may kindly fix a date.
fix a date,
They-
hear
they
us,
come-
hear
Yeah,
them,
and then
and
Malad,
pass
we
necessary
finish.
order.
We'll finish
this,
it.
I can understand her apprehension. I can understand her trauma.
She's getting
everything.
sensitive.
She
You
is
can
getting
feel it.
sensitive. But she, as practicing advocate, she should also understand that this court cannot go beyond the pleadings of this writ
Absolutely.
petition.
Absolutely.
She's not in a position to understand that.
My lord, let us come ready with the pleading and the limited prayer. She has
I'm
asked
asking her to give the
Go on.
details of the complaints that they have filed while they have been threatened.
Malad, the
Lordship-
case diary of that Chatterjee Hart may be called for.
But today no
But
one,
I've asked someone from the state.
anybody from the state.
Mr. Nondi is coming. But Mr. Nondi is coming.
Lordship, I only humbly requesting before your Lordship that kindly stay that CID investigation because witnesses are getting threat from CID and CID is sending notices at my residence at lawyer's chamber.
So this is the problem.
Lordship, CID has no jurisdiction. You kindly understand, kindly only address that issue only, kindly. For the first instance,
So we will hear out all the
Come on
matters.
the next day.
because Lordship,
On the next day from 2 p.m., I will not keep any other matters.
Yes, but at 10:30, your lordship. fixes
No,
it.
no, no. My entire day will go.
At 2 o'clock.
At 2 o'clock. Then the writ petitioners, your part hat matters,
Yes.
No, no.
and then their MSCC matters. So I'll keep it at 2 p.m. and then on that day, there won't be any matters.
Malad, can I take leave? Can I take leave?
Yes.
Oh, Jiche, my lord, Jiche takes.
When,
Well, not after 4th. From 4th is my last day.
ঠিক
before
আছে,
the full-
wait করুন।
Not after. Then fourth?
Yes,
Fourth will do?
yes.
Ah.
Subject to their convenience, my lord.
Fourth will do?
4th of October.
Yes.
Lordship, little bit earlier next week. Can it
This
be?
week will be problematic. I mean,
so we
for
come
all of them, maybe. Mr. Mukherjee will
4th
also be
October
there.
From 2.
4th October from 2. And sir, I request both of you, I can understand that you have become too sensitive. Everything is there. But please restrict your submissions only to the pleadings of this writ petition. Yes, sir.
What has happened?
Many things have happened, sir. Many things have happened. It's kind of a maze that we are in.
None.
Uh,
Only in, prayer in.
the learned senior advocate, Mr. Milan Mukherjee, Mr. learned advocate, Mr. Shobik Mitter, and learned advocate, Ms. Shutapa Shanlal have been requested to assist the court as an amicus curiae in order to dispose the instant writ petition, and the same has been accepted by the aforesaid learned advocates.